Hello, this is the newest generation of CT trailer from BMI Engineering. With this new design, the trailer overall length is now 5.9 metres, down from the previous model's 6.6 metre. However, the floor length has increased from 4.3 metre to 4.5 metre. The width between mudguards is 2.03 metre and the overall width is 2.5 metre. We have decreased the distance from the floor to the top of the mudguard. Previously this was 250 mm, now it is 190 mm. We now use Australian made couplings and have redesigned the jockey wheel swivel, which is more stable and has better rust protection. The handbrake handle is now lowered to avoid a lowered tailgate. The spare wheel is now at the same level as the floor, so the front of the towed car can sit over the spare wheel. There's also enough room for a winch and a winch stand. And there's also provision to install a tyre rack. This trailer has a tilting floor, which is tilted and held in position by an air bellow when loading the car onto the trailer. This air bellow can be pumped up with a hand pump. We have, as much as practical, designed the trailer to be used and operated by one person. The loading ramps are held in storage by spring-loaded pins and can be locked in the open position. The trailer frame is hot-dip galvanised along with many of its components. A durable finish is applied to the other components where hot-dip galvanising is not used. A long service life can be expected from these trailers with proper use and maintenance. When loading the car, to achieve an approach angle of about 6 degrees from the road to the ramp and from the ramp to the floor of the trailer, two blocks of about 80 mm in height are put under the back of the trailer. Due to variations in flatness of the area where the tow car and trailer may be positioned and the height of the tow bar, blocks of a different height will probably be needed. The floor is covered with expanded mesh, which allows tie-down points anywhere on the floor. With a low mudguard height of 190 mm from the floor, virtually all cars loaded onto this trailer will be able to open the door over the mudguard. Access to and from the car is made easier with intermediate steps. BMI Engineering have been building trailers in Malaysia for more than 20 years and build trailers that are designed to cope with the local weather and road conditions. The suspension uses 60 mm wide leaf springs with load balanced swing arms, bump stops and shock absorbers for a more stable ride. Wheels are 13 inch and 5 stud and are fitted with 8-ply light truck tyres. Brakes are mechanical discs made in Australia with Alco calipers. All lights are LED and protected without compromising visibility. Options for this trailer include a full floor, a 3-speed hand winch and stand which can be used in the tilted or flat floor position, and a tyre rack. The tyre rack can be mounted in 6 different heights and bolts on with 4 bolts.